Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Javed Iqbal Khokar, Professor of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, as I am discussing personal identity, and this is 17th lecture of this series. We are discussing parameters of age determination regarding personal identity, and in this I will be discussing the study of specific regions, and the contents of the talk will be that which are the areas which are radiologically important regarding estimation of age in various age groups. The areas which are routinely X-ray to determine the age of a person along with dental data, they are wrist and hands in children, elbow, shoulder, pelvis and knees in adults, like this. These are the X-ray of the wrist, shoulder and the elbow. And this is also the X-ray of shoulder. This is the ankle joint. The ankle and the knee, they gives the 19 to 20 years in both sexes, males and females. That means the epiphysis of the tibia and fibula, they unite with the shaft by the age of 19 to 20 in both sexes. The clavicle ossifies at 25th years of age. Scapula ossifies 17 to 20 years of the age. The skull, vertebrae and sternum in old age. And in the following section, we see which of the regions they are to be studied. Elbow in girls, it gives in the estimation of age of 13 to 14 years. In boys, 15 to 17 years. The wrist, in girls, it gives information of 16 to 17 years, and in boys, 18 to 19 years. And the shoulder, in girls, 17 to 18 years, and boys, 19 to 20 years. Ankle and knee, as I've already told, 19 to 20 years in both sexes. The clavicle ossifies by 20 to 22 years. The ischial tuberosity in 22 years. What are the mnemonics for the ossification centers around elbow? This is a common question which is asked. It is CRITOE. C for capitulum, C. Radial head, R. Internal or medial epicondyle, I. Olecranon, O. And external or lateral epicondyle, E. The age interval of appearance and fusion of ossification center at elbow. Elbow is very important joint regarding age determination. Capitulum, it appears 0 to 1 years and it fuses by the 10 to 15 years. Radial head, it appears 2 to 6 years and fuse in 12 to 16 years. And the medial epicondyle, it appears 2 to 8 years and fuses 13 to 17 years. Trochlea, 5 to 11 years it appears and it fuses 10 to 18 years. And olecranon, it appears 16 to 11 years and fuses 13 to 16 years. Lateral epicondyle of humerus, it appears 18 to 13 years and fusion is 12 to 16 years. The appearance and fusion are earlier in girls as compared to boys, with the exception to the capitulum and radial head. Thank you very much. Take care. I'll continue the lecture in the next